This is Easy Science channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this lesson, we know that why the chemical bonds are formed between the atoms. We saw several elements like oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen exist as diatomic molecules. What is the force that is holding these constituent atoms together in molecules? The formation of chemical compounds takes place as a result of combination of atoms of various elements in different ways. Let us take the example of common salt. Chemical formula NaCl. We cut the salt into small pieces. Sodium and chlorine cannot be separated. This shows that the sodium and chlorine atoms are being held together. Which force attracts these two atoms? So, it was believed that electrostatic forces were the cause of attraction between the atoms in the molecule. There are two types of electrostatic forces. One is positive charge and second one is negative charge. In atom, nucleus have positive charge and electrons have negative charge. When two atoms come sufficiently close together, the first atom nucleus attracts the electrons of second atom. The second atom nucleus also attracts the first atom electrons. So, some attractive force applied between the two atoms. When two atoms come sufficiently close together, the positively charged nuclei also repel each other. When two atoms come sufficiently close together, the electrons which are negatively charged and repel each other. The strength of the attraction or repulsion will decide bond formation. If attraction is more than the repulsion, then atoms combine. The repulsion is more than the attraction, then the atoms do not combine. The nucleus and the electrons in the inner shell remain unaffected when atoms come close together. The electrons in the valency shell of atoms get affected. Electrons in the valency shell are responsible for the formation of bonds between the atoms.